Here you have a 1/43 scale Ford Interceptor utility. This is a Motormax model. Haven't done many of these, and just realized that I didn't finish something up on it. But anyway, this one was painted and decaled by my repeat customer before he shipped it to me for lighting. And as you can see, the decals weren't coated. So you need to coat your decals before you send them to me. That's why I don't like doing them before well, actually, why the decals go on last anytime I do a vehicle. If they would have been coated, they would have stayed on there, but just, barely rubbing them and they come off. So, the good style decals, the nice thin, good water slide decals, but they're just not, they're not coated, so they're not going to stay on. Kind of an issue. Even decal set would have probably kept them on there better than that. Like I said, that's just basically rubbing them off of there like it was just dirt almost. But anyway, 1/43 scale Motormax Interceptor utility it still is, I guess, kind of a Ohio State Patrol car, highway patrol car, but with this one, flashing headlights, flashing taillights, blue strobes in the rear window along with blue strobe light bar. I feel like I missed something, but I don't guess I did. It's a fairly basic build, nothing too crazy. It's going to be on a train layout of a customer's, from what my customer told me. But go ahead and turn this on. Again, just flashing headlights. Use the circuit board on the light bar and rear visor lighting with a triple strobe wig-wag pattern to them, and then a simultaneous flash. There's two different speeds of the wig-wag, or the triple strobe there. And then the rear, see the same setup. Again, with triple strobes on each flash that you see there. And flashing taillights on this. They are wired up opposite of the light bar. So you can see the rights and lefts are opposite of each other from front to rear, so it kind of breaks up the pattern a little bit. So anyway, there you have it. Again, this is set on 9 volts DC. To operate, it will operate up to, this one here should operate to 15 volts DC as well. So, but you said 9 volts, so that's what we're set at. Appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for the builds there, and repeat business. Coat your decals.